Presenting the Sony MDR ZX110A on-ear stereo headphones. With its 30mm neodymium drivers, the headphones deliver a high-quality sound. The high-frequency range in these headphones is designed to make you hear every sound beat in detail. Its highly sensitive diaphragm lets you turn music louder without any compromise on sound quality. The enclosed design wraps easily around the ears and provides a distraction-free sound. It also delivers a better bass response. The self-adjusting headband and cushioned ear cups provide comfort for all-day use. Due to its swivel folding design, it can be easily folded, stored, or carried easily. These headphones come with a 1-year warranty for an uninterrupted musical experience and offer good value for money. Available